guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Miss Chatterbox, aka Brittany, and today I came to show you guys how to make this beautiful body butter. When I tell you it helped me with my skin, it helps me with my eczema that I have. I also have a lot of hyperpigmentation, so this has helped me so much. So if you want to know more how to make it, stay tuned. And yes, I'm wearing it right now. I have it on.
So today we're going to be using raw mango butter, Kokum butter, vegetable glycerin, almond oil. Turmeric is optional. You don't have to use that. And essential oils. Now everything can be found in Amazon. I'm going to put a link of the description and also where you can purchase it on Amazon. So you want to take your raw mango butter and Kokum butter and open it up. They're similar in color, but they're different in texture. You're going to want to take 1/4 of each of them and you want to put it in a pot because we're about to double boil it. So what I did was I filled up a big pot with water and I used a small pot to put in the butter, and I just turned it on medium high, and I'm just going to stir it around a little bit and let it melt till it becomes an oil. Alright, so now that it's turned into a liquid, we're ready to put it in a bowl. So we're going to go with our first ingredient, which is turmeric. I advise you guys to, if you do use turmeric, to only use half of a spoonful, because I kind of put too much by using a spoonful, and it transferred over on my sheets and on my pants when I put the body butter on. So that's just a disclaimer. If you want to use turmeric, you can use it. If not, go ahead and just ignore this step. Also, make sure you stir after each ingredient. So next we're going to put in our almond oil. I used about 3 to 4 pumps of almond oil, and then I made sure I stirred it. Next we're going to put in our glycerin. I just did about 3 to 4 squirts of the glycerin, and I made sure again to stir everything. So our last ingredient that we're going to put in is our essential oil. My essential oil that I put in was rose. I was a little heavy-handed on the essential oil because it really didn't smell too strong. And that was my mistake for purchasing it and not actually smelling it before I purchased it. So as you can see, I was saying it's not enough. So now that we finished pouring the essential oil in, we're going to pop this bad boy in the freezer, and we're going to wait about 10 minutes to take it out. 10 to 12 minutes actually to take it out. So after we take it out the freezer for 10 to 12 minutes, your consistency shouldn't be frozen, but it should be hard, a little bit hard at the top. Now to the best part. You are just going to mix this, and let me tell you, it's going to come out nice and creamy. Your skin is going to feel beautiful. So now we're going to just put our beautiful body butter that we made inside our container. Make sure you get the crevices of this bowl that you are using. Make sure there is no body butter that goes to waste. I want to thank you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful week, morning, evening, all that good stuff. If you like my video, or if you like the video, like and subscribe. If you didn't, write me a comment and tell me why. All right, guys, you have a beautiful one. Take care.